Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's healthy sugar-free almond cookie recipe. I'm going to show you how to make almond cookies using all organic ingredients and sugar-free. Easy and quick to make, also super healthy and so delicious. So it's great for your kids too. Let's make it! I'm going to use non-GMO organic coconut oil. Add a quarter cup of coconut oil into a bowl. This is a sugar-free homemade rice syrup. I have another video that shows where you can buy rice syrup with the low sugar levels. Please check it out. Add 3 tablespoons of rice syrup and mix well. Add 2 cups of organic almond flour and stir and mix well. Put a parchment paper on baking pan and place the batter on it and make a rectangle shape. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 7 minutes. When bake is done, cut it into 10 to 12 pieces and set a little space for each pieces. Be careful, it's really hot. Put it back to the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes and then 320 degrees for 5 minutes more. Smells so good. Oh my god. Yay! Healthy almond cookie is done. Make sure you shouldn't touch until it cools down completely. You can eat some with the coffee or put some rice syrup on the top if you want. Enjoy it!
Wow.